welcome back. So I know that people are running out of ideas to do for videos, especially now during quarantine. I know a couple of places are lifting their quarantine and stuff like that, but here we're still very much in quarantine, and by here I mean in Montreal. But yeah, so this video is just going to give you guys a list pretty much of a couple of video ideas that you guys could do on your channels. Whether you're a small channel or a big channel. I'm pretty small channel, and yeah, I did my research and I did all the analytics stuff for you guys, and I feel like these videos are doing the best on YouTube right now, so let's get on. Okay, so the first one that I found was you could do maybe Who Knows Me Best. Generally you do that between friends and maybe your sister, or your boyfriend and your sister, but you could maybe do it between your mom or your dad and your brother or your sister. The second one is you could do a sister picks your outfits or mom picks your outfits, depending on who you have as a sibling or something like that. A third one you could do, depending on if it's your birthday in quarantine, you could maybe do a video where you vlog your whole birthday and the things that you do and maybe the gifts that you get from family or friends or whatever like that. A fourth thing you could do is you can do a Q&A, so you can ask either your subscribers on YouTube, you can ask your Instagram followers, or it could be TikTok too, and then you can ask them any questions that or assumptions that they want to know about you, and then you can do a video about you answering that. So a fifth video, you could do a casual to glam transformation, so you can do maybe like quarantine style, so PJs or whatever, and then you can do like a glam transformation into what you're going to be wearing for the day, even though you're not going anywhere. A sixth video, you could do a testing viral photography hacks from TikTok. There's a lot of hacks going on TikTok, or even challenges, and you can maybe do a video of a couple of hacks or challenges from TikTok and show them to your subscribers. A seventh idea, I saw this one from Bridget. You could do a photoshopping myself to be scientifically perfect. So there's a template, like a universal template, face template that you use, and you can maybe do a video like that if you have good photoshopping skills, and even if you don't, then it would still be a funny video to do. An eighth thing, if you're like me, you've probably have been spending money online, so shopping online, and maybe you can do a haul with those clothes that you've been buying or those accessories. An eighth idea, you could probably do a casual spring summer outfit ideas, so like you can even, like, I know you're not going anywhere particularly, especially if you're not an essential worker, but maybe you can do like every day of the week, pick a different casual outfit and maybe do like a lookbook type of video and then show your subscribers and your followers that. Another video you could probably is to take a style test, or those Buzzfeed quizzes, and then compare and contrast the two quizzes from two different channels or two different YouTube videos, and then share that with your followers and see if they fit your like personality or what you do or something like that. A ninth idea would be to test TikTok hacks. There's a couple going on right now. 10th idea, you could do 24 hours in my blank challenge. So I've seen a lot of people I've seen a lot of people doing 24 hours in my car or 24 hours in my room challenges like that, simple things. Just videotape the whole thing and then show your subscribers your day and like how you were doing and what you were doing while you spent that time in that confinement or that space. And 11th thing you could do is life hacks for lazy people, especially now we're all in quarantine, not much to do. You can maybe do a video of what you've been doing and maybe it'll inspire other people to do similar things. A 12th thing you could do, it's been going around a lot, sorry. You could do a what's on my iPhone. It's pretty popular and gets a lot of views. 12th thing, it's 12th, right? Yeah, a 12th thing that you could do would be trying to get flexible in blank days, blank months, blank weeks. Like you can do a challenge where you challenge yourself and try to do something that you've never done or do something that you've always wanted to accomplish in a specific amount of times, videotape your journey through that time, and then share it with your followers. A 13th thing is you could do just a workout routine. You could show a bunch of workouts that you generally do and then show that with your subscribers, and maybe they'll do the same, you know, something just fun, especially now summer's coming around the corner. I mean, we're a month away, but summer's almost here. A 14 thing you could do would be trying everything on in my closet. Especially, or you can even do spring cleaning, so that would be a 15th idea. You could do that. Another thing would be to do a video on aesthetic background music, especially now. A lot of YouTubers are looking for background music that they can put behind their videos. I mean, that's what background music is. But maybe you can do a video that has a bunch of aesthetic background music in one video and then upload it and see how well it does. They do super well, so that would be a good idea. Another one you could do would be going without social media for a week. It would be hard, especially now, since there's nothing to do or there's not much to do, but it would definitely be something that would probably be life-changing for a lot of people and probably do really well. So another thing would be to go undercover as a fan page. You can go as either as yourself or create a fan page for yourself or for another YouTube channel or artist or something, and just see how it goes and builds up. Those types of videos do well as well. You can do an asking guys question, girls won't, or vice versa. Those types of videos have been going around a lot on YouTube, and that would be definitely a good way to get views. Another one, sorry, I just have my list here on my laptop. Another one you could do would be glowing up during quarantine. Just get ready, even though you're not going anywhere or doing anything most likely, but just have fun, put your makeup on, get dressed up, and act all girly or whatever boys do. You can do TV show recommendations, especially now during quarantine as mentioned. There's not a lot of TV shows that we're supposed to be airing right now because they can't do productions and stuff like that. So maybe TV show recommendations on Netflix, Crave, I think there's Hulu, different things like that. You can do maybe a friends take over my channel for a day, have one of your friends vlog their day, do whatever they do, and then they'll send you their stuff, you edit it, and that's a video. You could do what's it like working at blank, depending on where you work. Maybe you can do a video about what you like about it, what it's like working there, and different things like that. As mentioned before, you can do an I spent 24 hours in my room type video. There's also another video that went around a bit before, but maybe eating only colored foods for 24 hours. I feel like that would be a challenge, especially now because not a lot of things are available in the supermarkets nowadays. I have a couple of others, so you can also do a quarantine morning workout or a quarantine night routine, sorry. So like your skin regimen that you do every now and then, or every day, supposed to be. You could do a quarantine day in my life, what you do on a typical day in quarantine versus what you used to do. You could do a video about what to do when you're bored at home. A lot of people are probably going to be looking that up because there's nothing to do. You could do a self-care routine, what you normally do on a typical day for your self-care, whether you do meditation, yoga, Pilates, whether you like just to take a bath, have a glass of wine, and watch Netflix, different things like that. You could do, and I know not a lot of people are good at this, and I can say that I'm one of those people, but you could do a video about baking or cooking something with me. I've been seeing a lot of people do like baking banana bread with me, and then they vlog their process of doing all of that. You could do a chit-chat get ready with me, so that would just pretty much involve you talking to the camera and viewers, maybe a live stream or something, and as you get ready. You could do 10 things to do in quarantine, so maybe there's 10 things that you do that someone else doesn't do, and maybe that'll inspire them to do something that you like to do, and vice versa. You could do a get ready with me to go absolutely nowhere. You can do a pulling an all-nighter quarantine edition. That's been going around a lot too. You could do a drive with me quarantine edition or a karaoke time quarantine edition in the car type, something like that. You could do a song lyric prank on my blank. You could do it on your friends, boyfriend, mom, dad, brother, sister, you know, you got a bunch of options, especially now. There are also a couple of try not to laugh challenges or try not to say wow challenges. A lot of those, I know Infinite does a couple of those. You could do a photo shoot at home, quarantine edition. I've seen a lot of people using those portable mirrors and taking like photographs in the backyard or wherever they are. So you could do that. You could do a music playlist 2020, especially now. A lot of people are listening to music, or looking for different songs to listen to. I know I have. And another one I found was you can do a trying on all the dresses in your closet type of video. That also does pretty well. A lot of videos surrounding TikTok does well, so if you do TikTok challenges, TikTok dances, anything like that, your video is going to do super well. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you stick around, you like this video, you subscribe for sure, join the family, because I'm always looking for new lovelies to join this family, and I'll see you guys next week.